Hi, this is Brady Stalker, and I'm doing a bike check on my brand new Eastern ramrodder. Alright, to start with, I'm going to start with the back, and I'm going to work my way up to the front. Alright, I got the burnout back tire, and I got the hubcaps. I got the brass nipples, brakes, crank, chain, pedals, seat, frame. It's all Eastern. The gyro, Eastern. The handles are very comfortable. I mean, without gloves, after a while riding, you seem to get calluses, and it just doesn't feel too good. And I got the curb monkey front tire. Ram, Eastern. Brakes. Actually, the brakes are Tektro, if you can see that. Yeah, I think it's a very good beginner bike.